Here we are, folks. Here's my Google trade. These are the call options, the 530 that expire today. Close at $17. Ha, ha, ha. Look at that big drop. But we are trading the long side of this left elbow. All stocks from the big gap down will bounce off the bottom, and then you will sell into it. Whether it's this Google left elbow gap down or many others right now, they are good for $1 or $2 off their bottom. You got to sell them, then the weakness will come back into play. And this is when people are trading the left elbow, this is what it is. Now, look at that left elbow in action live here on the opening bell with Google. Right now, when I said here on SINA that every big gap down from the jobs report is how I get that entry, it's called the left elbow live, 3 minute, 6 minute, I'm selling at the top. Over here, we have Baidu. We can see the Baidu chart. This is Baidu. If you're in denial, it's about trading that left elbow. He hits it, and they come straight up, and you sell right into it. That's Baidu on the open. On the other hand, Google, left elbow gap down, because they can't believe anything's going to go wrong. They're going to buy these up off the bottom, and you sell into them right away. I've only done 3 left elbows right here live with you on the opening bell. As I said, that they would come off of there. You make the transaction. You sell it when they fail it. You sell it. Learn how to trade a left elbow gap down. There's 3 of them right here live for the new MMTs. To learn how to take advantage of bear and bull, overbought and oversold markets, left elbow gap downs. Don't overstay your dinner course here. It's time to sell at the tops. I will do many more left elbows. Left elbow, SINA. Left elbow, entry to exit, Baidu. Left elbow, entry to exit, Google. Let us not be in denial about how to trade that left elbow gap down in pre-market. Amazon gaps down. Amazon gaps down. Entries, exits, entries, exits. Left elbows and bull rallies especially are to be traded. They will come up. It will slide the bid. This stock is extremely overbought. The lesson learned is how do I trade the left elbow here live and now on the opening bell. You don't have to speculate. You don't have to make an opinion. This is raw price action movement. This was given out before the fact, before that opening bell, before that jobs report. That bull will come back in no matter what. Their denial shows up on the left elbow, you trade it up. Then when it fails, you go short. How many MMTs were told about the left elbow gap down this morning before the opening bell? How many of you were told that? Huh? How many people were told that? You were all told that before the opening bell. True or false? So what are we working with? We're working with reality. And the reality is, and the mechanical side of it, all of you, is how you profit. On the opening bell, on left elbow, beautiful move. When it comes back up to the neckline, I'll be selling short. Stock is overbought. This is the mechanical side. Look at the jobs report is at 9.2%. The futures were down big. Everything has got a short-term reversal. We were extremely overbought. The bull will stay in denial, and how do you confirm bull denial? Is when you do the left elbow and they run it right back up. They got to buy some more at the bottom because they're in denial. And you will sell it up here at the top on Amazon. I will do some more left elbows across the board. Price line, left elbow gap down. Here it is now. Here it's coming up. That's the price line. That's the price line, left elbow, selling at the tops on these left elbows. Basically, what we're teaching new MMTs, as we always do, we're down 108 points, and we were trading off the bottom there on these left elbows that SMF is famous for. And the thing about it is, as far as taking advantage of market volatility, oversold, overbought, bear, bull, it doesn't matter. We know them. We have lived this life to know it. So, therefore, we get to trade it accordingly. And the big move here, where I'll use Amazon, as it puts in the teeny highs, it starts to reverse. The left elbow is here. There it is right there. There's the reversal, and it's shorting it back down. Now, Amazon really falls in a retail. It's going to be much stronger. Some of the ADRs that I've already shown this morning, we'll keep examining them. Because the bull is getting its head handed to it itself, it always overstays. This is what happens in options. The 530 call was a great bull rally up here, but they never come out, and they were inflated. And I will show this to my MMTs as I showed them last night before this event occurred, and why it would occur.